Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a algebraic equation question, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So the first thing I see when I look at this question, and the first thing that stresses me out, is that square root in the exponent. But let's use some of our mathematical principles and see if we can make it any easier for ourselves. Okay, so what can we do here? Well, I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to notice that I've got a 2 on either side. I've got a 2 on either side, which is great. Okay? Because I've got that 2 on either side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to assume that my exponents must equal each other. So that can be my first step. Nice and simple. Okay? Now what I want you to realize is that square root can be written in another way. Okay, so we've got x, and I want to write this x with an exponent instead of a square root. And we know the exponent here is going to be 1 over 2. Why is it 1 over 2? Because inside the square roots I've got an invisible 1 as my exponent, and I've got the invisible 2 on the outside. And remember what a square root means is it's simply the internal exponent divided by the external little symbol that's associated with the surd. And we've still got the 27 on the right hand side. Now let's multiply these two x's to get 1x. So if we do that, we're going to have 1 plus 1 over 2. So it's 1 plus 1 over 2 equals 27. I need to find the LCD for that, which is going to be 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2. And that equals 27 still, and then I'm going to have x to the 3 over 2 equals 27. Now what do I need to do? Okay, so what I need to do now is I need to get rid of this 3 over 2. So the way to do that is I can simply bracket it and multiply it by 2 over 3. So if I do that, the 3's cancel and the 2's cancel, and I'm left with an x. On the other side, I need to do the same thing to keep everything balanced, and that's going to be 2 over 3. If I plug that into my calculator, I'm going to get 27 to the 2 over 3 is going to give me 9. And that is the final answer here. Nicely done. Do you see it was all about identifying how we can simplify this x through converting the surd into a fraction, and that helped us move to the end of the equation and got us a full 4 marks, which is really useful and really goes towards a good solid performance in the exam or the test. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.